新宿チューブ。
こんにちは。Today, I Shinjuku-ite visit Meiji Jingu Gyoen or Meiji Jingu Garden located inside of Meiji Jingu Shrine. This is the only part existed long before the foundation of Meiji Jingu Shrine. In the early Edo period, between 1603 and 1868, this area was the garden of Lord of Kato of Kumamoto, and later went into the ownership of Lord E of Hikone. The third shogun Tokugawa Iemitsu also visited this garden. After the Meiji Restoration in 1868, this area became the property of the imperial family and was named Yoyogi Garden. Emperor Meiji expressed great pleasure at this tranquil garden and composed a waka poetry in its honor as うつせみの代々木の外は静かにいて都の他の心地こそすれ literally means deep in the woodland of Yoyogi, the quietude creates an illusion of seclusion from the city. On a land area of approximately 83,000 square meters, small trails crisscross through Kumazasa or Fiji's bamboo, reminiscent of the traditional rural landscape of the Musashino. In the garden, you can find the Kakuunte Tea House, Nanchi Pond, a fishing spot, Azumaya or Gazebo, Irish Garden, and Kiyomasa's Well. Each season, the garden offers a different aspect of beauty with Yamabuki, or Japanese carrier, Tsuji or Azalea, Satsuki or Satsuki Azalea, Wisteria, Irish, water lilies, Hagi or Japanese bush clover, Tsubaki or Japanese camellia, and so on. The refreshing scent of leaves in the breeze, the rustle of foliage in the trees, the twitters of wild birds, the crisp reflection of trees on the water, water birds splashing and fish swimming in the pond. All these bring us a solace and a peace of mind and escape from the bustle of urban life. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me ask you this. Make sure you like this video, share it, and subscribe this channel if you don't want to miss any more video in the future. Also, I'd like to hear comments from you. Please give us your feedback. Again, thanks for watching ShinjukuTube.